Now that we know about input, let's learn about output. Output is how the computer gives us information back. It's like the computer talking to us. Key output devices include the monitor for visuals, speakers for audio, and printers for paper copies. Let's see how these output devices work. The monitor shows you everything, from fun pictures and videos to the words you're reading right now. Speakers let you hear sounds, music, and voices from the computer, bringing everything to life. And a printer takes what's on your screen and puts it onto paper, so you can hold your drawings or stories. In summary, output devices are how the computer talks back to you. They take the processed information, the output, and present it in a form we can understand. Key examples are showing on your screen. In the classroom, input and output work together. For online learning, you use a keyboard to type input and see the lessons on the monitor, output. You've learned so much about input and output today. Keep exploring the world of computers, and thank you for watching.